हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं ये डेयरी मिल्क सिल्क चॉकलेट। तो we'll start. Okay, so we are going to unbox this and ये कुछ लेबल लगा हुआ है इधर. So let's start unboxing this. So I think, wow. So I have never tried it before, or I have never seen it before also. It's Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk luxurious paralines. So I'm very excited to open this pack of chocolates and let's start. So first I think it's like this. Okay. I got it, and to just remove this thing. Okay. So the close from inside out. Yeah. So you see this thing? You have to open it like this, and it's removed. Now it's written here, discover the gift of Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk, a golden treasure box that glows from the inside out, filled with luxurious chocolate pralines that will leave a precious feeling. So it must be chocolatey, very chocolatey. So let's start opening this. So I think that this is here, something like this. I think I have to pull this. Pull. Yeah. Oh no. Before pulling, I can see something like this. Let's see what it is. I think something is here. Okay, so nothing was there. Only it was a little piece of tape and like that. So it contains milk. Sulpities may contain wheat, peanuts, soya and tree nuts. Let's start. We'll pull this. Oh, wow. So the box, it came out like this, and it slowly came up and up. So this is what we got now, and like this, it's like gold in color. From all the sides you can see, here also. So now let's open this, and here is written, when I read this part, so here it's written, a golden treasure box that glows from the inside out. So I think this is the golden treasure box. And if you have seen Mr. Bean, वो जो Mr. Bean होता है कार्टून, उसमें he goes to steal these golden ones, right? So let's open this one. So from here it will open, somewhere from here only. I got it open like this, and now I think you cannot see me, so right here. So I think now we got a golden treasure box. See, it's like this. and here is a little door. But I won't show you that door yet because I'm very excited. So you can see that that thing, that what you can say, that gold box. You think that that gold. I got 4 gold, 1, 2, 3, and 4 gold. So and one on this side. Actually, see, it's not even falling. One on this side. And here I get all these chocolates. Do you see this? It's just like what I can say. It's just like my whole cabinet of chocolates, because you can think that it's a cabinet, and I have chocolates inside instead of clothes. Yeah, we just do it like this. And see, friends, it's just like this, our cabinet, and you open the door and you find chocolate clothes. Same on this side. Or what you can say is a refrigerator. It also opens like this. And now I am too excited to eat these. So let's eat one and I will tell you how this tastes. So I am going to choose a block. Meeny, miny, mo. Father has got a dog. Dog is not in the house. The farmer also left out. So out came on this one. So I'm going to choose something, one block. I think this one, the topmost, I will eat. So I'm removing this one, just like, yeah. So I take out the topmost and I'll show you how this also looks. So first we'll just put our treasure safely hidden. Now we got our chocolate and let's eat it. So Dairy Milk Silk Classic Paralines. I will eat it later, but I will show you its cover. So it is showing this Dairy Milk Silk Paralines, and not to be so loose means without this packet, this one, and in this packet. So friends, hope you enjoyed today's video. So I will eat this later on. Okay, so friends, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do have this, do tell me. Bye bye.